Hi everyone and welcome to the Autodesk PowerMill. So as you know that we have completed the module number 5, which is all about introduction to 5-axis machining. And this module we have discussed about understanding 5-axis. We discuss about the blade finishing operation, blade scale clearance, half finishing, swath cutting operation. So it's time to check your knowledge. So what you have studied in the module number 5, that's giving you an assignment on the blade finishing strategy. So as you see in the picture, it shows that you have to perform the blade finishing toolpath on the file which is given you, and the file name is basic_simple.djk file. So what you have to do is you have to apply the blade finishing strategy of this model, and the instructions are here. So this is assignment number 5. And what you have to do is you have to apply the finishing toolpath strategies for the given model. The name of the file is basic_simple.djk file. And then you have to create a block. You use the 10mm bar nose for blade finishing operations. Set optimum depth of cut and style for finishing operation. Set the RPM approximately 25,000. That cutting speed rate of 2,000. Set the coolant on flood. Simulate the machining operation what you have applied and check the gauges and all these things. That's it for the module number 5. Master of Love. And thank you.